I'm flexing with these bands, I do my dance because they love it. Hold on. Chase for the guap, do the running man. After I get it, I run again. I make it rain, call me Thunder Man. Count 20K for the summer end. Make 10,000 hours. YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Kills, and today, man, I'm bringing y'all another reaction video. Today's reaction is gonna be on Smoke Perp, Glock inside my Benz, man. And we finna get straight into it because we already know Smoke Perp is lit, man. So I don't even gotta talk. We finna get into it. Yeah. Got a Twinkie wrapper in my pocket. It's lit. I heard this, but he previewed this before like a few months ago, I think. Yeah. Oh, hey. Hey. Hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. I like this. I ain't gon' stop it. See him in the streets and I might drop him. Keep that fuck nigga, keep away. You can see it in my face, I'm getting paid. See me, you can't see me. I feel like John Cena on his CD. Hey. No purpose, you try, that's what the streets need. Hey. Don't owe a nigga shit cause you don't feed me. And I pull them more till I'm sleepy. Little bit wanna touch on my TV. I'm a dance star, rock star. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Ooh, 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 ooh. In my pocket, dead presidents. I don't want no friends, don't want no friends. Pockets on my best, no such thing as friends. Pockets on my best, no such thing as friends. Pockets on my best, no such thing as friends. Hey, hey, no such thing as friends. Hey, sweat. Molly made me sweat. Yeah, bitch, I'm a star, but I'm still dead. And I'll be my dog just like a bat. Like a bat. Ooh. From the back, you trap and get it wet. Get it wet. Woo. You do it for my set. For my set. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I never talk to no friends. In the light, I used to sleep with no bed. Now I'm $1 million nigga in this jet. Yeah. Hey. In my pocket, dead presidents. I don't want no friends, don't want no friends. Pockets on my best, no such thing as friends. Pockets on my best, no such thing as friends. Pockets on my best, no such thing as friends. Pockets on my best, no such thing as friends. Hey, 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 hey. Pockets on my best, hey, hey. Hey, no such thing as friends. Hey, Hey, that song was dope, man. Smoke Perp did his thing on there. I seen people was talking about on Instagram. I saw a bunch of pictures and stuff saying like he copied Lil Uzi style with the EXO Tour Life song, and all my friends are dead. No, I don't think so, because I already heard him like preview this song like months back. So who knows though, because Uzi was previewing that song too for months back, so I don't know. It do sort of sound similar, and it's produced by the same person and stuff too, so the beat's sort of similar, but we'll never know though. But people steal styles all the time so in music though, so it don't really matter. But I enjoyed this song though. It was kind of dope to me. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that SoundCloud link that's in the description, man. Videos dropping every day. Gang, 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 gang.